Hello children, welcome back to my class. As I always say maths is easy. Now in today's class, we are going to learn halves and quarters with very simple yet interesting examples. So shall we start? Now, as you all know what a half is. So when a whole thing is divided into two equal parts, mind it again, two equal parts, then each of the two equal parts is a half or इस पूरी चीज का आधा. Okay, we take example of a circle. Now you can take this circle as any of your favorite thing. As I always say, it can be a pizza or a burger, or you can take it as a pancake, whatever you like. So if I take this circle and divide it into these two equal parts, then one part, this part is half. Okay, this part is half of the circle, and this is also half. Okay, this is also half. It means how many halves are there? There are two halves. So we have divided this circle into two halves. तो एक पूरे को हमने टू आधे आधे में डिवाइड कर दिया. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि चपाती को जब दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं तो आधी आधी दो चपाती हो जाती है. तो व्हाट इज आधा? आधा इज हाफ ओनली. Similarly, we take example of this chocolate bar. You like chocolates? I know. So, if we divide this chocolate into two equal parts, now you are there and one of your friends is there. So you take a bar of a chocolate to school. So half खाते हो, half अपने friend को देते हो. So how will you cut it in half? Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts. So half कैसे करेंगे? ये तो मुझे पता, आप बहुत स्मार्ट हो. कैसे हाफ करोगे? अगर आप यहाँ से इसको तोड़ दोगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये हाफ and this will be another half. So how much will you get? आपको कितने पीसेस मिल जाएंगे? क्योंकि 8 पीसेस हैं चॉकलेट के, तो आपको कितने मिलेंगे? 4 pieces. So out of these 8 pieces, you will get 4. But what is 4? अब ये 4 क्या हो जाएगा? पूरी चॉकलेट का half. So this is half of the chocolate. Okay. Similarly, here I am taking the example of again your favorite thing. I know you can't make out, but ये क्या है? आपकी favorite gems. Okay. So how many gems are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 gems है. अब यहाँ पे भी आपके पास 10 gems है. अब आपकी सिस्टर कहती है हाफ मुझे चाहिए, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप ये 10 5 ऊपर रखी हुई है, 5 नीचे आपने रखी हुई है. तो कैसे करेंगे? आप 10 में से हम क्या करेंगे? 5 आप अपनी सिस्टर को दे दोगे और 5 आपको मिल जाएंगी. तो हाफ हाफ डिवाइड हो गया ना. So out of 10, what is half? Half will be 5. So this will again be half of the total number of chocolates you have. Because यहाँ पे whole क्या है? Here our whole is 10 gems. So उसका half क्या होगा? 5 gems. So यहाँ पे 1/2 क्या बनेगा? 5 gems. Okay. So I hope you understand half. Now these are the examples of halves. Now एक को हम बोलते हैं half and plural जब ज्यादा होते हैं हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Halves. Okay. Then now here we are dividing a whole thing. ये मैंने आपका favorite pizza बनाया है. Okay. Now we are taking example of a pizza. Now I have divided this pizza into 4 equal parts because I wanted कि आपको बड़ा बड़ा पीस मिले. अब एक पिज्जा के जब 4 पार्ट्स होते हैं तो बड़ा बड़ा पीस मिलता है ना. तो मान लो कि बहुत बड़ा पिज्जा and you are getting a big portion क्योंकि अब कैसे मैं देने वाली हूँ आपको. ये आप खा रहे हो 1 part out of 4 equal parts. किसी भी चीज के जब हम 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स करते हैं देन 1 पार्ट इज कॉल्ड 1/4 और क्वार्टर. क्या बोलते हैं? 1/4 और quarter. QUARTER. So you are getting 1/4. Okay, this is 1/4. अगर मान लो आपने और आपकी सिस्टर ने खाना है तो आप क्या करोगे? आप कहोगे मम्मा मुझे और खाना है. देन यू विल गेट 1 and 2. कितने क्वार्टर्स मिल जाएंगे अब आपको? अगर आप ये दोनों पीसेस खाते हो तो आपको कितने क्वार्टर्स मिलते हैं? 2 quarters. Now here I must tell you कि हाफ को हम कैसे लिखते हैं क्योंकि हमने कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स करे हैं इसके सर्कल के 2 and we are taking 1 part out of 2 equal parts. So half को how do we write? 1/2. Okay, 2 is total number of parts and 1 is the part we are taking. Now this is how we write a half into fraction. So fraction for half is 1/2 here because 1/4 is 1/4 means 1 out of 4 equal parts. So how do we write 1/4? We write 1/4 as 1/4 and 2 quarters. अगर 1/4 1/4 है then 2 quarters will be 2/4. Okay. Now we take example of again a chocolate bar. Now this chocolate bar is again divided into 8 equal parts and we have to now find out what is the quarter of this chocolate. Now obviously we have to divide this chocolate into 4 equal parts. So how will we divide? Now we will I'll show with some other color. See how to divide. If we divide it into 4 equal parts, here 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, and 4 parts. Now see, if you are 4 friends, आपको ये divide करके equal divide करके खानी है चॉकलेट तो कैसे करोगे? 1 part, 2 parts. मैं इसको अगर यहाँ से नहीं ये पूरा पीस आपको मिलेगा 2 को मिला के ये पूरा सेकंड एक आपके फ्रेंड को मिलेगा. थर्ड पार्ट योर second friend will get and this part your third friend will get. Now see, you are getting equal portions of the whole chocolate. So it means अब आपको 1 2 आपके पार्ट में कितने पीसेस मिले हैं? 2 pieces and each of your friend is also getting 2 pieces. So it means what is a quarter of this chocolate? This is the portion you are getting. So you are getting 1/4 and 1/4 or a quarter of chocolate you are getting. और इसमें आपको क्या मिल रहा है? कितने पीसेस मिल रहे हैं? 2 pieces. Okay, you are getting 2 pieces and your friends are also getting the same. Okay. Now, see, if one of your friends says, I don't want to eat the chocolate, तो आप क्या कहते हैं? अच्छा मुझे दे दो. तो आपको कितना मजा आ जाएगा? आपके फ्रेंड की चॉकलेट भी आपको मिल गई. Now you are getting 2 quarters out of 4 equal parts. You are getting two equal parts. Now each part is 1/4. Now you are getting, if you get these two big pieces or four small pieces, you are getting 2/4. 2/4. Like I told you, 2/4 को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 2/4. 1/4 को कैसे लिखते हैं? 1/4. Okay? And similarly, if you get third quarter also, this will become 3/4. Okay? Here, we will understand 3/4 with the help of this example. Again, I'm taking example of your favorite gems. Okay? Now, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 gems. Now, if we have to divide these 8 gems into 4 equal parts, means, let's say again you are 4 people, you have to divide them equally. What will you do? See, we will divide like this. One child will get 2 gems. Okay? Each child will get 2 gems. So if you are getting these 2 gems, or so how many? This is 1/4 or 1/4. You are getting 1/4 of the total number of gems. Okay? So how many quarters are still left? Left. I'm talking about left. जो भी किसी ने नहीं खाया. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay? Because there were total 4 quarters. Because quarter का मतलब है जब किसी चीज को 4 equal parts में divide करते हैं. उसमें से 1/4 आपने ले लिया. How many quarters are still left? 3 quarters are still left. तो दोनों मिला के क्या हो जाएंगे? 3/4. These are 3/4 or 3/4. Okay? I hope you understand. So you know what are halves and quarters. Now we will understand these with the help of some other examples and from other questions. Okay?
Now we will take an example of a collection of gems. Suppose you have 12 gems with you. So I'm making 12 gems over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Here are the 12 gems you have, and you have to give half of these gems to one of your friends. Okay. So half करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? आप 2 लोग हो तो हाफ आपको अपने फ्रेंड को देना है. तो हम क्या करते हैं? हाफ करने के लिए उसके 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स कर देते हैं. अब ये 12 जेम्स है तो इसके 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स कैसे करेंगे? हम बीच में से यहाँ पे आई एम पुटिंग अ लाइन, है ना. एक और चीज आपको पता है कैसे? हाफ करने के लिए हम 2 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. तो 12 को जब 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 6. इट मीन्स योर फ्रेंड विल गेट 6 gems and you will get the other 6. Okay. So I am just dividing this collection into 2 equal parts. And what will your friend get? Your friend will get how many gems? So one part of the collection he is getting. So एक part में क्या आएगा? 6 gems. So this is half of collection. So half of 12 gems would be 6 gems. Okay. So your friend is getting half of this collection.
The example of a rectangle which is divided into let's say it is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I made 12 parts again. Now, like the same way we have divided into half, we will divide this also into half. So, how to divide it into half? Because there are 12 equal parts. So, how to divide? If we put a line here, clearly, now we have divided this rectangle into two equal parts. So 6 parts here and 6 parts in the other part. Now we have to color half of it. So how to color? We can color either of them. We can color these parts or these parts, any of them. The thing is, we will divide it into two equal parts and color one part. Okay, if we color one part out of two equal parts, it means we have colored half of it. Now, this is here we are coloring. So I'll take again the same example. See, same kind of example. Again, I'm dividing this rectangle into 12 equal parts and I have to color half of them. Now again 12 parts, so we have now understood, we have understood that half of 12 is 6. So we have to color half of it. Now we can color any 6 of the parts. Like we have colored this, we can color this, 1, 2. Only thing is, we will color any 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. See, we have colored 6 parts out of 12 equal parts. So it means we have colored half of this figure, whatever it is. So this is, we have colored half of it. Okay? Half of figure is colored. Okay? Here also, half of the figure is colored. Okay? Now, in the next question, now we are taking another question to understand these things even better. Now we have to, here we will color, and now I'm let me make the figure first. See, I'm taking a circle and dividing it into 4 equal parts. Now I want to color 2 by 4 of this figure. Now first of all, we will see the denominator, the lower part. This says 4. It means we have to color 2 fourths. What we have to color? 2 fourths. 2 fourths or what we say? Quarters. Fourths are also called quarters. Or 2 quarters. Okay. Now quarters, we can see clearly that this figure is divided into 4 equal parts. Now it means this is 1/4 or 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Or we can say 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. And we have to color 2 fourths. So what will we do here? We will color or shade one part and this is 1/4. Now we have to color 2 fourths. We can color this one also, this one also, this one. So we have to color one more, any one. So if we color this, it means total these two have become 2/4. Now we have colored 2/4. Okay. Now I'm taking an example again. Okay. Here I am dividing this figure into 8 equal parts. Isn't it looking like a pizza? You get pizza with pieces like this only. Okay. So this pizza is divided into 8 equal parts and we have to color 3/4. 3/4. So how to color 3/4 or 3/4? Now first of all, we have to divide this into quarters. Quarters. Now clearly here there are 8 pieces, 8 equal parts, but हमें fourths color करनी है. तो उसके लिए हमें देखना पड़ेगा ना fourths कैसे हम कर सकते हैं अगर हम इसके equal parts से निकलें. Okay, 4 equal parts कर दी. अब हम देखो 4 equal parts कर दिए. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4 and this is 1/4. Now we have to color 3/4. Now we can color or shade 1/4. One more 1/4. अब हो गई ये 2/4 and any 1/4 more. This or this. Okay. Now we have colored 3 1/4. So it means we have colored 3/4 or 3/4. Understood? Now we will go to the next part. Children, we are trying to understand these quarters and halves in detail so that there is no doubt at all in your mind. Still, if you have any doubt, you can always write to me in comment section. I'll answer that. Okay? Now, I'm taking some examples again. Okay? Taking these examples and see there is a square which is divided into 4 equal parts. And this is colored. Now, here you have to tell me what part of the whole is colored. Now, you can see clearly this is the whole for us. This is the whole. Have you seen pizzas in square shape? Yes, there are some pizzas in square shape. So, take it again like a pizza. Now it is divided into 4 pieces, 4 equal pieces. And you are eating 2 pieces. Okay? You are eating 2 pieces. Can you tell me how much pizza are you eating or what part of the pizza are you eating? See, if we join these 2 pieces, let's say we join these 2 pieces, आपने जो pieces खाए हैं ना उनको join कर दिया. Okay? मैंने इनको join कर दिया और जो left piece है उनको एक साथ उनको मैंने एक तरफ join कर दिया. Okay, these are the left pieces. Can you see? This is half of the pizza. Anyways, आपको पता तो होगा कि 4 का half क्या होता है 2. So out of 4 pieces, you are eating 2 pieces. It means you are eating what? Half of the pizza. So 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2 or 1/2 of the pizza. Okay. Now we will take another example. See, these are the small squares. Taking we're taking small squares. Okay. And coloring these. Now, can you tell me what part of these 8 squares? There are 8 squares. What part is colored? Can you see this? If we divide, these are 8 pieces. Now, 2 are left. इसको हम अलग कर देते हैं. Okay. And we divide it into equal parts. We will get 4 equal parts. So, can you see? There are 4 quarters or 4 equal parts of these 8 squares. Now, out of these 4 equal parts or 4 quarters, how many are colored? 3 quarters are colored. So, it means what part of the whole is colored? 3/4 or 3 quarters. 3 quarters. Okay. Now, we take one more example. Here, again, I'm taking the example of a, let's say, burger. Okay. Now, it's a big burger, not a smaller one. So you will get only some of it, not the whole one. Here are big burgers also available at some places. And your stomach is little upset, so mama will say कि आपको थोड़ा सा मिलेगा. Okay. So, मम्मा ने कहा उसके 4 pieces करवाए. ठीक है, मैंने 4 pieces करवा दिए और आपको सिर्फ टेस्ट करने के लिए दिया. तो देखो 4 equal pieces करवाए और आपको कितना मिला है? Only one part. Only one part out of 4. So how much have you got? You are getting these are 4 quarters, only 1 quarter. So you are getting only 1/4 or 1/4 or 1/4. Okay. I hope you understand. Now, moving to the next part. Now, I want you to know how to divide a figure into some equal parts. I know you must be knowing. I know you are very smart, but just a revision. I'm taking the example of a rectangle. Let's say this is again bar of a chocolate. I take the names of very tasty things so that you are always interested in class and you don't get bored. Okay. So this is a plain bar of chocolate. And you want to divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay, let's say half. आपको बहुत बड़ा बड़ा पीस खाना ना तो हाफ में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. तो कैसे करोगे? ये टास्क है. आप कैसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? कैसे कैसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? अगर हम यहाँ से इसको ब्रेक कर दें isn't it? या फिर I make your four figures and we will see कितनी तरह से हम इसको हाफ में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. और we can break it from here. Two equal parts मिल जाएंगे. We can break it like this. See, again we will get two equal parts. Or we can break it like this. Two equal parts. And I'll tell you one more way. आपको बहुत स्ट्रेट पार्ट्स बन के थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट पार्ट बनाए तो आप क्या करते हो जैसे हम इसको राउंड कट कर सकते हैं. देखो राउंड कट करेंगे ये भी ये शेप जैसी है, इसकी दूसरे पार्ट की भी वैसी शेप है. तो दे both of them are also equal. ऐसे हम इस तरफ से देख सकते हैं. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? अब ये तो आपने हाफ पे डिवाइड किया. अब ऐसे ही हम इसको अगर 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है तो कैसे करेंगे? देयर आर मेनी वेज. देखो, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर फन. ओके, सो दैट वी नो हाउ कैन यू. अभी जब भी कभी आपके पास कुछ आपने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना होगा ना, यू कैन डू दिस. इज काइंड ऑफ फन how to divide a thing into different types. Okay, you will get different kinds of shapes. Okay, now यहाँ तो हम simple shapes ले रहे हैं. We will later on we will do other shapes also. Okay, so now we are dividing into 4 equal parts of quarters. So first of all, simple करते हैं. First of all, we divide it like this. Okay, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. Okay, now we divide it like 4 equal parts. Let's divide कर देते हैं. For what? Show it with blue colors so that you can clearly understand. We have 4 equal parts, 4 quarters. Now we are going to divide it in a different way, like this. 2 parts हो गए और इसको अगर एक बार और इधर से भी डिवाइड कर दे तो these are again ये equal ऐसे नहीं हो. I must tell you one thing. So how do we do? Let's take a square here. Okay, ताकि हमें equal parts मिले. Okay, so these are 4 equal parts. Okay, now again a simple way, very simple one. जैसे आपकी चॉकलेट डिवाइड की होती है तो इसमें हम बड़े बड़े पीसेस कर रहे हैं, 4 equal parts. Okay, I'll tell you more fun ways to divide. Okay, now if we first of all we will divide it into these 2 parts and now we got 2 rectangles again. और फिर हमने जैसे पहले सीखा था इसको भी 2 equal parts में डिवाइड कर दिया और इसको भी 2 equal parts में डिवाइड कर दिया. See, we have got 1, ये भी 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. 4 equal parts मिल गए ना आगे. And one more way to divide. Now अभी हमने इसको ऐसे डिवाइड करा है. अब हम ऐसे 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स करेंगे जैसे हमने हाफ किया था और फिर उन दोनों को भी हाफ कर दिया and we get again 4 equal parts. Okay, so this is how we can divide a rectangle into 4 equal parts. Understood? Okay. Now we will take some simple everyday examples from our life. Okay. Now let's say you have 20 toffees with you. Okay. And you give 1/2. 1/2 क्या होता है? Half of the toffees to your friend. Now, can you tell me how many toffees? How many toffees have you given to your friend? Can you tell me how many toffees have you given to your friend? Now you have 20 toffees. Sit it. Now 20 toffees है. So कितनी toffees आपने दी? क्योंकि half दी है. Now what is half this? When we divide a whole into 2 equal parts. So divide 2 parts में divide करने के लिए what we do? We divide by 2. Okay? और जैसे मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया था, अगर मैं यहाँ पे 20 टॉफीज बनाऊँ 7, 8, 9, 10 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 और ऐसे नहीं लेना, अब ऐसे ले लेते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 तो मैंने 5 की 4 रोज बना दी तो 20 टॉफीज हो गई ना आपने हाफ दे दी अपने फ्रेंड को तो हाफ दे दी है तो हाफ कैसे करेंगे इस कलेक्शन का अगर हम बीच में यहाँ पे लाइन लगा दे तो देखो इक्वल नंबर ऑफ टॉफीज ऊपर है इक्वल नीचे है ना अगर हम काउंट करें ये भी 10 है ये भी 10 है ओके सो हाफ ऑफ 20 का आधा कितना है 10 so 20 divided by 2 is 10 so how many toffees have you given you have given 10 toffees to your friend and one more thing, what part of toffees is left with you? Agar half of the toffees you have given to your friend, so what part is left with you? You are left with the other half. Because what is half? जब हम किसी चीज को 2 equal parts में divide करते हैं. Now you have given 1 out of 2 equal parts, that is half to your friend, and you are left with another half. Okay, the other half is left with you. So you are left with half of the toffees. And the वो half क्या होगा अगर half is 10 तो 10 आपके फ्रेंड को मिल गई 10 आपके पास है understood so you are left with half of the toffees and they are 10 leave 10 friend को 10 आपके पास बचे understood now we are taking one more very good example अब आपको पता है आप रोज दूध तो पीते हो ना अब दूध कैसे होते हैं मम्मा या पापा कहाँ से, बाहर से आपका पैकेट में आता है। और पता है आपको पैकेट में दूध कैसे होता है, लीटर्स में होता है, लिक्विड है ना, लिक्विड कैसे हम मेजर करते हैं, लीटर्स में, मिलीलीटर्स में। ओके, सो अब मान लो आपकी मम्मा ने एक दिन 1 लीटर मिल्क रखा फ्रिज में। ओके, सो योर मदर has kept 1 liter milk in the fridge. Fridge or refrigerator. I'm writing it short, fridge. Okay, and that उसमें से थोड़ा सा आपने पिया, ज्यादा नहीं तो, लेकिन half of a liter is consumed in a day. तो एक दिन में half of a liter खत्म हो गया. So half of the milk is used in a day. Now, what fraction or part? Fraction is part only, part of a whole. Of milk is left. Is left, and what is the quantity? Of milk left. Now, कितना milk था? 1 liter, and half of the milk is used in a day. तो अगर हाफ यूज हुआ है, 1 लीटर का हाफ यूज हुआ है, अब 1 के जब हम 2 पार्ट्स करते हैं तो 1, कोई भी होल के 2 पार्ट्स करते हैं तो क्या बन जाते हैं? 2 हाफ्स. हाफ एंड हाफ, 2 हाफ मिलके 1 बनेगा ना. इट मीन्स 1 लीटर में से 1 हाफ यूज हो गया. इट मीन्स कितना यूज हुआ है? हाफ लीटर तो यूज हो गया, यूज्ड. सो व्हाट पार्ट इज left? It means half of the milk is left. So 1/2 of the milk is left. Okay? And what is the quantity? अब जब हम क्वांटिटी की बात करते हैं, मैंने आपको बताया ना कि जो कोई भी लिक्विड चीज है, वाटर है, मिल्क है, जूस है, एवरीथिंग विच इज लिक्विड, वो लीटर्स में होता है. ठीक है, जैसे हम कोई चीज वे करते, वेट देखते तो वो केजीज में और ग्राम्स में होती है ना. तो लिक्विड चीजें किस में होती है? उनको मेजर किया जाता है लीटर्स में या मिलीलीटर्स में. ओके, एंड 1 लीटर इज बिगर, मिलीलीटर इज स्मॉलर. 1 लीटर में कितने मिलीलीटर्स होते हैं? 1000 मिलीलीटर्स. तो जब हमें क्वांटिटी बतानी है, नाउ वी नो 1 लीटर is 1000 milliliters. Okay, ml. Now अगर हाफ यूज हुआ है तो इट मीन्स कितना यूज हुआ है? क्वांटिटी ऑफ मिल्क यूज्ड इज हाफ. हाफ ऑफ कितना? हाफ ऑफ 1 लीटर. 1 लीटर इज 1000 मिलीलीटर. तो इसका हाफ क्या होगा? किसी चीज का भी हाफ करना है तो हम क्या करते हैं? 2 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. तो 1000 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज 500. 1000 का हाफ होता है 500. So 500 milliliter is used. So quantity of milk left of milk left will be, अगर 500 ml यूज हुआ है तो लेफ्ट कितना है? 1000 minus 500. This will be 500 milliliter. So 500 milliliter of milk is left. Okay. So This is how we can do half. और ऐसे हम 1/4 भी कर सकते हैं. अगर हमें कहे कि 1/4 of the milk is used, तो हम 1/4 यूज होगा तो किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, किसी चीज का भी 1/4 करना है तो उसको 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? अब I'll give you an example of 1/4 also. जैसे पापा मार्केट से 1 kg tomatoes लेके 1 किलोग्राम tomatoes लेके. ओके, और उसका 1/4 एक दिन में यूज हो गया. यूज हो गया 1 होल में कितने 4 1/4. ओके, 4 1/4 make 1 whole. तो 1/4 अगर यूज हुआ है तो हाउ मेनी 1/4 आर लेफ्ट? 3 1/4. 3 1/4 और 3 quarters. Quarters और 1/4 same चीज है. ओके, now 3 quarters are left. और so अगर 1/4 यूज हुआ है तो कितना बचा है? 3/4 kg, 3/4 kg of tomato. Is left. Okay, understand? So that's all for today's class, beta. I hope you have understood the concept of halves and quarters very well. Still, if you have any doubts, you can always comment in the comment section, and I will revert back and I'll answer your questions. And that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.